A noxious smell and toxic gas turning to trouble for hundreds of people evacuated from an office building in West Miami-Dade.
That gas turning out to be carbon monoxide, and it left more than a dozen people hospitalized. Let's get to our own Victor Okendo. He's on the scene with the latest.
And Lori and Calvin, it was no doubt a hectic day here at this office building. It took Miami-Dade Fire Rescue about 8 hours to determine the source and the cause of this leak, which turned out to be coming from the sewer system.
We came to the office, there was this bad smell.
Everyone around me kept saying it smelled like rotten eggs.
It turns out that smell and the odorless carbon monoxide came up from a few floor drains inside the bathrooms on the first floor of this office building.
The HVAC system apparently picked up these gases and spread them throughout the rest of the building. That's why we had employees getting sick in all different levels of the building.
Some 400 people work at the Lennar Corporate Center in Northwest Miami-Dade. 80 were sent home sick even before Miami-Dade Fire Rescue arrived.
We have people complaining of headaches, nausea, dizziness.
One by one, paramedics tested for carbon monoxide levels.
Initial readings on our arrival were 80 parts per million, and obviously we want them at 0.
6 people were treated on the spot. 17 others were sent to the hospital. With the source pinpointed to those first floor bathrooms, Fire Rescue then tried to find the cause of that leak.
There are protective valves within the piping so that you won't get return of these gases, and apparently they either froze open or it broke or something was allowing gas return coming up from the floor drains.
So the people who required more serious medical attention were sent to 3 separate hospitals. This building is now being aired out, and Miami-Dade Fire Rescue has asked Lennar Corp to make sure to bring in some experts tomorrow, make sure that the levels are safe before people return to work. In West Miami-Dade, I'm Victor Okendo, Local 10 News.